Hey everybody, my name is Tyler DeSoleil and welcome back to the DeSoleil Twins. I wanted to give y'all a proper intro because the intro that I filmed last night, it was so late. I was so tired. I really hope you enjoyed the video. This beautiful, let me step in the sun. Yeah. This freaking style is so gorgeous. Like, I feel like it's just perfect for the summer. Y'all know Florida is basically summer all year round. But it's so effortless. It's so pretty. I'm just loving everything about it. I really hope you enjoy the video today. All the hair details are in the video, so make sure you watch it from beginning to end and do like the video so we can keep this content coming for y'all, okay? We are trying to add a little bit more content to the channel. As you'll see, there's a vlog on there as well, but make sure you check it out. And then any other collabs or ideas or things you guys want to see as far as protective styles or hairstyles in general, don't hesitate to let us know. But this is the hair. The curls are so effortless, you would not even know that this is a mix. It's not just human hair. I really love it. So I just want to come on and give y'all a proper intro, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. All right, hey y'all. Pre-parting is done. I have 5 on each side. I know I look pretty funny, but let's jump right in, shall we? So on this side, I hope y'all can hear my fan. I hate people say that, and you can definitely hear the fan, so I'll just stop the fan. So for my parting product, y'all know I normally use the Peruvian. This is the Peruvian braid gel. This has lemongrass, it's extra hold, and it's for relaxed and natural hair. Child, we loved it. When I tell you we loved it, we loved it. And I also love the braid gel. This one is a classic. We just re-upped on this because I love this stuff so much. So I'm just gonna use the braid gel because whatever product I start with, I like to finish with, and I'm not gonna have enough to do my whole head with the Peruvian. So I'm not even gonna start it. Jeez. All right. So let's go ahead and define our part. I'm gonna do a rough draft right here. I know it kind of slanted, but it's okay. All right. And then I'm gonna, first of all, brush out my edges. Not that much. I'm going to split this in 2. I could be lazy and do 1, but I'm gonna do a little extra, okay? I know I look funny. The hair that we are using is the 4-Time Expressions 38-inch. It looks like this. I have 2 packs of that. And the curly hair, because y'all don't be playing. And y'all know I like to try all types of curly hair. So the curly hair this time is the Shake and Go Organique Loose Deep Bulk in 18 inches. All right, perfect. So I know last time I taught y'all how to do this part, but I'm gonna do it anyway for my new girlies. Take that out. Okay, it's on like a little track. That's neat. That's neat. That's really cool. Taking it out wise, oh, that makes it much easier to take pieces out. I like that. Remember, take that product, twirl it right hand. You know you need a few of these laid down somewhere, so put them somewhere accessible. Good. Should I be pulling these from the bottom? Like I'm about to break the hair. It definitely kind of feels synthetic-y, but that's okay. Okay, let me do that. Separate it, because I got it all over the place, y'all. So I'm gonna grab like a little bit of a handful, like that. I don't want that little thing to stay on them. Okay, it slides off. There's like a little track holding it together. It slides off though. So I have like 3 of them ready. And like I said, y'all, please have quite a few. You don't want to have to keep stopping to grab pieces, you know what I'm saying? And set pieces up. You don't want to have to keep doing that. I'm about to do 2 over here and I don't want to have to stop. So I set up about 4 pieces a piece. All right, y'all. This is where I'm at so far. I said I was going to show y'all when I first started, but likewise, as normal, you know, sometimes when you start, you see either your best or they your worst. So they were originally up here, but my hair is basically like 16 inches, like almost, and that's too long for a bob. So I had to take them out from up here where I wanted them to stop for a bob and bring them lower. Okay, so if your hair is like a little bit longer than a bob, you can't, I mean, I'm not gonna cut my hair. So you have to be realistic, okay? So be realistic. But they're right here, it's not gonna be too bad because I'm still gonna probably cut these up so they're not too long. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do the next set, shall we? All right, hey y'all, so we're back. I'm gonna start this out like a regular knotless braid. Put it into 3. 1, 2. I'll go right in. Second one. Plenty of knotless videos on our page, so if you don't know how to start a knotless, don't worry. Now I'm going in for a curly piece. Take my curly piece, hook it right in. I'm gonna braid it. Down 1, down 2, and I'm gonna braid it 3 until it's back over here where I could just pull it out. There it is. So I added that curly piece, added some product, which is looking like I need somewhere over here. We're gonna keep braiding. I'm gonna add another curly piece right here, right here. And maybe right here. A little piece of braid in here, like that. I'm gonna put it in a knot like so. Tie it in a knot and pull it through. Split it. First piece, I'm gonna hook. Second piece.
I don't know how the girlies be like picking up the camera when they're moving.
All right, hey y'all. This how far we've gotten. Oh, girl. I'm really, really, really excited. Don't worry about the ends. We haven't tackled them yet. But this is just how we looking. Oh. So let's just keep going. This how much I got left. Child. Literally, I tried to line them up as best as I could, y'all. It's giving already. Oh, that was pretty. Y'all, I told my sister we were gonna have to. I was gonna have to leave the Thank you. I was gonna have to leave the curly hair in the ends, but we had two different visions. So I was like, damn, I thought about that last minute. Oh, that shit flew my eye. I thought about that last minute. And she was so right. This water is hot. Why it's splashing all over the place. She was right. Girl, just one curl the ends. Rock curl the ends. And you're gonna be straight. And they look so good. I was worried they're gonna be too tight. Okay, you're making too much noise now. Oh, yeah, that's cute. And they all gonna get trimmed up, so don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and just do baby hairs. So I got this She Balm hairs. Yes. Yes. Oh. Should I scoop this? Should I keep that like that? Oh, yeah. And then try to flatten it out, look a little thick. Yeah. Okay.
Just like that face. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed everything about this ensemble. The hair is giving. This is the next morning. I'm so excited. And if y'all want to see other colors, let us know, or more styles. But thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you give them a huge thumbs up, okay? And we'll just see y'all in the next one. Bye, girl.